Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce myself. My name Amelia Santika. I am come from Muhammadiyah Surakarta University. Here I will present the result of my research entitled Implementation of Strengthening the Character of Discipline in Student Sri Binade Elementary School. Introduction. Article 3 of the National Education System Act number 20 of 203 states that if the national learning objective improve the ability of students who have character, intelligence, noble character, and expertise needed himself, citizen, nation of country. Planning the character of the participation of students in school must be balanced with the support of the social environment. Pancasila and citizenship education is a knowledge that is based of that cultivation of various sorts. The subject of Pancasila and citizenship education is also a subject that has one of these missions as follow education. Developed is the character of discipline. From the explanation of the character of the discipline above that this word of education can be transferred toward the norm and rules that are followed up by all the people of the school. Many case violations that occur are committed by adults and even students as a result of lack of social awareness and weak character visit. Character education must be instilled early because children who are still under the age have golden age in the formation of their personality. At Sri Binade Elementary School, there are problems with students who do not carry out the character of discipline well. Implementation of strengthening the character of discipline in student Sri Binade Elementary School. Research methods. Research methods, descriptive, qualitative, time and place of research. This study was conducted from 3 months at Sri Binade Elementary School. Data collection technique, interview, observation, and documentation. Subject of research, residents of Sri Binade Elementary School. Object of research, relative to the implementation of strengthening the character of discipline, strengthening of student discipline. Primate data sort, interview, and direct observation. Secondary data sort, using the document used to meet the information that has been found. Data validity, triangulation technique, data analysis, reduction, presentation, and collection. Result and discussion. Result and discussion. The discussion of this study will explaining the relation to the implementation of strengthening the character of discipline Sri Binade Elementary School. Factor in strengthening the character of discipline can be influenced by factor originating from internal and external factor. Internal factor is equation are elements that come from within the individual. This factor is influenced by the physical condition and personal psychology state. This factor has 3 elements: family conditional, school conditional, the state of sociality. There are 6 indicators in certain the character of discipline at Tribunade Elementary School. Number 1, getting used to the arriving at school on time. Number 2, obeying school rules. Number 3, doing assessment and collecting on time. Number 4, speaking well and correcting. Number 5, wearing uniform according to applicable regulation. Number 6, carrying school supplies. Arriving at school and returning from school on time. This turned out to be reality, going well, and no one arrived at school late. Obeying school rules. Discipline is a rule that is meant to be obeyed to realize discipline. In the enforcement of rules in Tribunade Elementary School, several factors inhibit the absence of self-awareness and punishment factor that can support students to comply with the rules of the awareness of the student. The effort of teacher who always remits working on 8 assessment texts and collecting decks on time. Collecting assessment on time is act of disciplinary character at the same time a student obligation, inhibiting factor that rules in student not collecting assessment on time are like student working, teacher being less assertive in quitting student, and lack of understanding of the story student explain. Well, the supporting factor is that teacher provides the material early. The classroom is comfortable and clean. Students have the to be also too. If the student does not wait to collect the text on time, then they will be dissatisfied. Speaking well and correctly. At this time, as Tribunade Elementary School has not been maximized in the use of good and correct. There are still many students communicate with teacher, participants, and parents using the good and correct language. The inhibiting factor of good and correct language in student according the teacher and principal are factors from the community and family environment of then hanging or with attention. There is not habitation related to God and correct language with communicating with more material people. Factor the support it are some students have instituted at good correct language. The effort of parents to training in the good and according language and school resident who always give a example to students. Wearing uniform according to applicable. The way students dress in Tribunade Elementary School is about the suitability of uniforms is good. For profit be students who always obey and discipline the rules that have been set at school. Learning equipment to the subject. Learning equipment that is essential usually if not meet then learning objective will not the run optimality. If students do not bring learning equipment, it is included in the inhibiting factor of the achievement of learning and disciplinary character. The purpose of discipline is to discipline children to behave according to the rules that apply and are expected to be employed in the community environment. The effort of the fellow of discipline in school includes all kinds of influenced addressed to students to help them understand and adapt to the demands of the environment. Disciplines is also important as one way to come with the demands that students might want to solve about their surroundings. School effort to overcome obstacles is strengthening the character of discipline at Tribinade Elementary School. The effort with teacher will come the student in front of the age. The teacher come early. Written regulation come 30 minutes the listen to place. Regulation to have player at school. Effort so that students at Tribinade Elementary School obey the rules of conducts that are done by teacher and parent are to establish awareness of student. Give extra point the student who quickly collects encourage student to quickly do ASC problem first and school effort follow the rules of good and correct like with the effort applied to Tribinade Elementary School are teacher, student, and principal with communicating with student resident to using the Chromo English. Need to be exemplary to students at Tribinade Elementary School are not issued uniform while in school. Always wear shoes when outside the classroom. Familiarity uniform completely with our attributes. Many monitoring teacher and parent again the child. Rebooking student whose uniforms are not net. The effort about bringing learning supplies according to subject to Tribinade Elementary School. Parents always check back their children learning supplies. Teachers also do not forget to remit consultation. Based on the result and discussion that have been parent related to the implementation of strengthening the character of discipline in Tribinade Elementary School, it can be called that the strengthening of the character discipline in Tribinade Elementary School is still lacking. This can be seen from the violation that occur in students such as not applying good and correct regulation, not using net clothes. 3 is still incomplete learning equipment. Such violation can occur because several factors inhibit the internal factor and external factor. School principals, teachers, and parents have made several efforts so that students do not return. Efforts in strengthening the character of discipline to students include giving examples to students, implementing class rules who violate, and giving punishment or sanction to students who violate. However, currently, the school still has obstacles to strengthening the character in Tribinade Elementary School because there are still students who give a bad impact from outside and are around the school environment. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.